Welcome to Mabel Daily English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mabel Daily English. Today, you will finally learn how to sound confident, careful, and natural, all with 4 small words.
David is here, fully caffeinated and ready to go.
Perfect. So, David, do you go to the gym often?
I go often to the gym on weekends.
That sentence sounds a little unusual.
Unusual? It sounds fine to me.
Let us turn it into a question for everyone watching.
A question already? You are quick today.
What exactly is wrong with "I go often to the gym on weekends," and how do you fix it?
Wonderful. My gym routine is now homework for the entire internet.
Haha, exactly that. Stay with us for the answer.
Now I genuinely want to know what I got wrong.
Today, we are exploring may, might, perhaps, and often.
4 words, all about guessing and habits, I think.
Imagine a weather forecaster on the evening news.
A weather forecaster? Okay, I can picture that.
She says there's a 70% chance of rain. That confident guess is may.
Fairly sure, but not completely certain.
Exactly. Now she says there's only a 30% chance of rain. That is might.
Still a guess, but weaker, less confident.
Perfect. Now imagine the exact same forecast, but read in a very formal news voice.
Same meaning, just a more polished, elegant tone. That must be perhaps.
Exactly right. And finally, she checks the historical weather records.
Not a guess about today, a pattern over many years.
Exactly. That pattern, that regular habit is often.
One forecaster, 4 completely different jobs.
Exactly. And once you feel that difference, these 4 words will finally make sense.
All right, Mabel, turn on the weather report. Let us begin.
First, may. The confident guess. 70% chance.
So, may means something is fairly likely.
Exactly. It may rain today. A real possibility. Reasonably confident.
She may come to the party tonight. Fairly likely, but not certain.
Perfect. May sounds thoughtful and a little more formal than casual guessing.
Does may ever mean something completely different?
Great question. May can also politely ask for permission.
Like, may I come in? That is not a guess at all.
Exactly right. 2 completely different jobs, 1 small word.
May I borrow your pen? Polite, formal, asking permission.
How would you say that same request less formally?
Probably just, can I borrow your pen? For a friend.
Exactly. May feels a little more polished for permission, more like a teacher or a stranger.
So, the situation, not just the meaning, decides which word feels right.
Beautiful. Now, error lab. Let me try one.
Go for it, Mabel.
May I to open the window?
Wait, there is an extra 2 in there. It should not be there.
Exactly right. Fix it for me.
May I open the window? Clean, simple, no extra word.
Perfect. That 70% confidence or that polite request.
Can may describe something about the past too?
Sometimes in more formal writing, but in daily conversation, think present or future.
What about a negative sentence, like something might not happen?
Good thought. It may not rain today still works the same way.
So the confidence level stays, just with not added for the opposite guess.
Exactly right. He may not come tonight. Still a fairly confident guess, just negative.
Fairly confident guess or a polite request. That is may.
Now, might. The weaker guess. 30% chance.
So might feels less confident than may.
Exactly. It might rain today. Possible, but less likely than may.
He might call you tomorrow. Possible, but do not expect it strongly.
Perfect. Might carries a softer, more uncertain feeling.
Honestly, do people really separate these so carefully in real life?
Great question. Native speakers often use may and might almost interchangeably.
Oh, that is a relief. I was worried about choosing the wrong percentage.
No need to stress over it. Both are correct in most everyday conversations.
I may go out tonight. I might go out tonight. Both perfectly fine.
Exactly. Now, Error Lab. One more time.
I am ready for it.
It might rain later today.
Wait, there is an extra S on the end there.
Exactly right. Fix it for me.
It might rain later today. No extra letters, clean and simple.
Perfect. That 30% forecast, softer and less certain.
Softer, but still a real honest possibility.
What if you genuinely want to sound extra unsure about something?
Then might feels like the safer, softer choice to make.
Exactly. I might be late sounds gentler than a stronger, more confident guess.
So might is useful when you truly do not want to promise anything.
Precisely. It protects you from sounding too certain about an uncertain future.
70% is may, 30% is might. Both completely fine to use.
Would you ever hear might used for asking permission, like may?
I have heard might I before, but it sounds very formal, almost old-fashioned.
Good catch. That use exists, but may I stays far more common in daily speech.
So might mostly stays in the world of guessing, not requesting.
Exactly right. Keep might for possibility and may for both jobs.
Possibility for might, possibility and permission for may. Clear now.
Now, perhaps, the exact same forecast, formal news voice.
So perhaps means the same thing as maybe.
Exactly the same meaning, just a more polished, elegant delivery.
Like switching from casual chat to a formal news broadcast.
Precisely. Maybe we should leave sounds casual and friendly.
Perhaps we should leave sounds calmer and more thoughtful.
Exactly. Perhaps makes your English sound more mature and reflective.
When would I actually choose perhaps over maybe?
Whenever you want to sound a little more polished or slightly more formal.
Perhaps he forgot the meeting. That sounds thoughtful, not casual at all.
Beautiful. Now, Error Lab.
Give me your best mistake.
Perhaps, maybe, we should try again.
Wait, you used both words together. Only one is needed.
Exactly right. Fix it for me.
Perhaps we should try again. One elegant word does the job.
By the way, we share lessons exactly like this regularly.
If today's helping you, a like and subscribe genuinely supports us.
Could you use perhaps in a work email, for example?
I think that would sound very natural in something formal like that.
Exactly right. Perhaps we could reschedule sounds professional and thoughtful.
Realizing while maybe we could reschedule would sound a bit more casual to a coworker.
Precisely. Both correct, but perhaps often fits formal writing a little better.
Good to know when each version fits the moment best.
Would perhaps ever sound strange in a very casual chat with friends?
Maybe a little, like showing up to a picnic in a suit.
Exactly that feeling. Correct, but slightly overdressed for the moment.
So choosing the right word is also about matching the situation, not only meaning.
Same forecast, formal delivery. That is perhaps.
Casual is maybe, formal and polished is perhaps.
Now, often not today's guess, the historical pattern.
So often is about routine, not one single day.
Exactly. I often drink coffee in the morning, a regular habit.
She often arrives early, a pattern repeated many times.
Perfect. Now, where does often usually sit in a sentence?
Does it have a favorite position?
It does. Often usually sits right before the main verb.
I often eat breakfast at 7. Often, then the verb.
Exactly. Now, let us solve your sentence from the very beginning.
I go often to the gym on weekends. My original mistake.
Where should often sit in that sentence?
Before the verb, not after it. So before go.
Exactly. Give me the correct version.
I often go to the gym on weekends. Fixed and natural.
Perfect fix. That historical record now sits exactly in its usual place.
Historical record. Before the main verb. That is often.
Does often ever move somewhere else in a sentence?
Sometimes for emphasis. Often people learn faster when they relax.
So the front position adds a little extra weight to the idea. What about at the very end of a sentence instead?
Like, we go there often. That sounds natural too, I think.
Exactly. End position works well, especially in shorter, simpler sentences.
So often is more flexible than may, might, and perhaps.
Exactly. But for now, remember the everyday position before the verb.
Often. Front position for emphasis, but everyday position before the verb.
Quick note before we continue.
If this episode is helping you, please consider liking and subscribing.
One last check. Where would often go in we go to the park?
Right before go. We often go to the park.
Flawless. That historical record sitting exactly in its usual place.
Historical record. Before the main verb. That is often.
Here is the golden question for today.
Ready. Give it to me.
Ask yourself, is this a strong guess, a weak guess, a formal guess, or a pattern?
Strong is may. Weak is might. Formal is perhaps. Pattern is often.
Exactly. Let us test it. Blank, she come to the party tonight.
A fairly confident guess. She may come to the party tonight.
Perfect. Blank, I ask you a question.
Polite permission, not a guess at all. May I ask you a question?
Excellent. Blank, we visit my grandmother every Sunday.
A regular pattern. We often visit my grandmother every Sunday.
One last round. I'm not sure, but blank, he already left.
A softer, gentler guess. Perhaps he already left.
Flawless. The golden question never fails.
Strong, weak, formal, or pattern. I finally feel this clearly.
Quick note before our final section.
If this episode is helping your English, topping like and subscribe means a lot to us.
Time for a role play. Action.
Finally, let us do this.
Two friends planning a weekend trip, sitting by the window.
Ooh, I love a good trip planning scene.
Where should we go this weekend?
Perhaps we should go somewhere quiet, away from the city.
The mountains may be nice this time of year.
True, but it might rain up there. We often have bad luck with weather.
Perhaps we should check the forecast before deciding anything.
Good idea. That might save us from another disappointing trip.
Cut. 4 words, completely natural, side by side.
I did not even think about percentages while saying that.
That's exactly the goal. Let us lock everything in.
Recap time. Short and clean.
May is a confident guess or a polite request for permission.
Might is a weaker guess, softer and less certain.
Perhaps is the same meaning as maybe, just more formal and polished.
Often is a regular pattern sitting right before the main verb.
You have mastered all 4 words today, David.
Honestly, I feel ready to use them naturally now.
Let us return to your sentence from the very beginning.
I go often to the gym on weekends. What was wrong with it?
You already know the fix.
Often needed to sit before the verb. I often go to the gym on weekends.
Your turn now. Write one sentence using may, might, perhaps, or often in the comments below.
Even a short sentence is more than enough. We will read as many as we can.
Something brand new is already waiting for you next time.
Already curious about it. Can't wait to find out.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Until next time, take good care, everyone.